Okay guys, so welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1x18 diecast model of BMW 7 Series. Okay guys, so first I want to thank you guys. We have completed 200k subscribers, and second I want to announce the winner of the giveaway, and the winner is Nirvana. I will also put the video at the end how I picked the winner. And I bought this model from ebay.com. You can also find this model at your near BMW dealership. You can try that. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel for more videos like this, follow me on Instagram. Let's get started. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed the video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.